So we got a little bit of things we have to do it again over here, but loosen this up off here and we'll glue this down for the next section, actually the last section of this leg. And where are we at? Okay. I'm going to turn to the other side. So the theory of operation is aluminum is very highly thermally conductive to distribute the heat. We've got two pieces of plastic that are being welded together to form a containment vessel for nutrients to grow algae. The narrow end of the iron is closest to the place where the growth medium would be, and less likely to melt it to the point where there would be a hole created. And then further out toward the edge, it's going to get hotter and hotter, so that it's more and more likely to be completely welded, if not overly welded. But in some place between the tip of the iron and the edge of the plastic, there should be a region where it's a really good seal without punching any holes due to overmelt. And that is the purpose of this welding process.
Hopefully you can make it.
Yeah, well, we can't do it all the way because well, actually we can't. I just have to turn around like this. Just barely at the end, but okay. Okay, then we'll take a look and see if there's any place in here where it didn't make it to the edge of the melt. As frequently there are, and I just have to remelt it. So we got. Well, actually, that was pretty good. Came close to not being sealed there, but yeah. So this whole thing.
You're done with it now? You're done sealing?
This is the center weld that's going to keep the two pieces together to form one big layer of 2 mil plastic that will leave like the roof of the sealed off vessel for the algae. And there you can see the. So that's going to be the seal.
Yeah.
And inside there's going to be the growth medium for the algae, and there's going to be another layer underneath that, and between those two layers,
Right here.
Going
Where's
to
the
be-
seal again? Oh yeah, right there.
well, yeah,
Oh, yeah,
no,
it's right down there.
it's multiple. Yeah, you can see where it's at,
Yeah.
but yeah, there's a little. But